established over 40 years, aimed for complete production line configuration, integrated services, and make progress together with our customers. With the mission of making tools that allow mechanics to achieve increasing efficiency and safety, we are Cosda. We are constantly innovating and optimizing our materials and processes through our sound technical experience and diversified production line setups. We are highly in control of our product delivery and quality. From brake system, cooling system, to whole vehicle maintenance, we have a wide range of products and strict quality control process. Our products have been recognized by domestic and overseas customers, providing the best choice for private labels in the world. Always challenging, there's no best, only better. Cosda keeps up with the market trend and endeavors to fulfill various needs of customers. With the user's needs in mind, we propose systematic solutions in every detail of our products, and have created more than 250 products, nearly 60 patents. We actively collect market data and customer feedback to optimize and improve our products. We never stop on the road of innovation. On trend with Industry 4.0, we not only use data to assist in raw material procurement management, but also in production schedule and information transparency between each departments. Assisting strategic decision with data, we greatly improved efficiency and customer satisfaction.
To produce good tools is our responsibility. To produce tools well is our promise. We provide automotive repair tools that demonstrate tendency and integration by exercising differentiated services and professional automotive knowledge. Not only do we want our clients to become our long-term partners, but also we expect that our performance exceeds clients' expectations.
With the goal of being the best automotive maintenance tool service manufacturer, Cosda will continue to pursue innovation and be eco-friendly. Keep moving forward. Cosda.